Okay, good evening everyone. Now welcome sa online SEO bootcamp natin by Pinoy SEO/SOBA.
Hi po, good evening. My name is Maria Abigail Polindamayo. I'm from Cebu City and currently working as a product support associate at Leasehold Digital.
May gabi dia coach.
May
Ako
gabi.
din si Christopher Lupavo.
Hmm.
Currently working as OF chatter.
My name is Jello Titoya. I'm from Iligan City. I'm now currently residing at Cebu City and currently working as cybersecurity.
My name is Mel from Cebu City, currently working as a funnel builder.
I'm Ryan Remedio and I'm from Cebu City. And I'm recently working as content moderator in Alorica.
Coach. So I'm Sarah. I'm from Bacolod City and working as a logistics coordinator in a US company.
Hello po, good evening.
Evening.
Delmi Rose from Bulacan po. Currently po SEO VA po ako, pero yung ginagawa namin more on link building.
Hello, good evening, Coach. Good evening, everyone. Nika from Bulacan as well, and also do CEO US client.
Coach, hello everyone. My name is Jefferson from Manila. My previous work po is sales representative.
Hi everyone, my name is Wivina. I'm also from Cebu. I used to work as an SEO VA too, but I got transferred to customer service.
My name is Juniel Grace Caballo. You may call me Jem. I am from Pangasinan. I am a social media marketing assistant for 2 years now.
Hello, good evening. I am Biama Banyes Grior from Davao City, currently working as an SEO content writer for an online booking software in London.
Hi guys, I'm Jasper Villarin from Pampanga. I'm working as a real estate VA.
So, I am Jodem, I'm Moreno, but you can call me JD. I am from Lucena City po, Quezon Province. And I'm currently an admin support sa isang...
Good evening, my name is Genevieve. I currently bantay bata. Pero previously, I'm a nurse. So, zero experience talaga ako nito.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Melanie, you can call me Mel. I'm from Florida, Misamis Occidental. And then I'm currently working as FB ad specialist at the same time VA in a Singapore-based company.
Hi Coach, hello everyone. My name is Judy Angela Cruz, you can call me Judy. And I am from Bamban Tarlac, if you know Mayor Alice Go. I'm from here and I'm currently working as a e-store operation assistant in a US-based client. Thank you.
Hello, good evening sa lahat.
Good evening.
Good evening, Coach. Ako nga pala si June Asombrado. Isa akong content writer, Tagalog.
Hi, good evening po. I'm Crystal Shane Lantano from San Jose City, Nueva Ecija po. And I currently work as a product analyst for a US printing company.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Ken Saudi Arabia. Off ko po ngayon kaya first magandang viewers na po kasi ako ng OFW.
Hello, good evening, Coach, and good evening, everyone. I am April May Zabate po, and I'm currently working from home as an online English teacher for about 7 years.
Good evening, everyone. I'm from Davao City and currently a content writer for a UK-based website po.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Again, I'm Cleo Canay from Davao City and I'm currently working as a junior tax assistant for SellerX from London.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Manny. You can call me Manny for short. I'm working on a cruise ships as a digital communications associate.
I am Therese Marie and I'm from Davao City and currently working as a real estate broker and at the same time real estate virtual assistant with a client based in Alabama yet.
Hello Coach, hello everyone. I'm Mrs. Lau Labaho. I'm from Cebu and I'm pastor.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Carlo Diangco from Bataan. So I am currently working as a lead responder for a Canadian-based company.
Hello po, good evening. I'm Justin Saltomante from Camarines Sur. So currently,
work from home as an Amazon pay-per-click and SEO for a toy store in New York.
Hello, Coach. Good morning, everyone. I'm
Morning.
Paul from Butuan City,
Mm.
full-time tambay with a degree.
Hello, Coach. Hello, everyone. May gabi. I'm Kurt. I'm from Davao. So I'm currently working as an SEO specialist for a lifestyle clinic in Florida, and as well as an SEO specialist for a digital marketing agency based in South Florida.
Evening po.
Evening.
I'm Sarina po from Quezon City, currently working as a research associate.
Hello, good evening.
Evening.
I'm Francis. I'm from Negros Oriental, currently working as a SEO specialist from a Australian client.
I'm Christine, based in Quezon City, and I currently work as an intake specialist for a US-based law firm.
Good evening. Yes, Ray Vidal, and I'm currently at Antipolo City. And current work experience, Spanish virtual assistant for a client in Spain and another in US.
My name is Mitchell Reyes. I'm a Cebuana. I've been in marketing for, my orientation really is corporate. I'm even in corporate now. So I've been in 20 years in corporate and 15 years of which I'm focused on marketing.
Hello, mayong gabi, Coach. My name is Jared. I'm from Quezon City and currently working as a supply chain in operation, also bookkeeping and social media automation.
Hi everyone. So I'm Kyle Ricardo, and I do offer different website development and also SEO specialist and digital marketing. So I do project based. Thank you.
Hi, Coach. I'm Genesis. I am from Ozami City. Currently working as a VA in an SEO company based in the US.
Hello, Coach. Good evening. Ako po si Neil, residing in Intramuros, Manila. I'm a full-time dad. Yun lang po.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I am Jalian Desperos from Sultan Kudarat and currently working as a SEO content writer po.
I am Mela Laudi, a recent graduate in SOBA as a general virtual assistant. Currently, I am working as in Outlier AI as a AI generalist.
Hi guys, good evening. My name is Elmer. That's my real name. I usually use Elmo for easy to pronounce. Currently working as customer support specialist. It's work from setup, but I've been doing SEO for almost 3 years.
Hi, gabi, Coach. Good evening, batchmates. So I'm Shara. I am currently working as a content manager for a US-based digital marketing company.
Hi everyone, good evening. So I'm Mark Laster from Davao City, Cebu. Currently, I'm into the software engineering industry.
Hi, my name is Ryan, but you can call me B for short. I'm currently residing in Cebu. So I'm currently a VA freelancer. So my clients are from the US and I wanted to upskill. So looking forward to learn SEO.
My name is Vanessa and I'm currently here in Cebu. And yeah, I'm currently working as a business development specialist at New Fold Digital. I heard maraming taga New Fold dito.
Yes, my name is Torin J. Krama from Makati City, currently working as a Spanish bilingual patient access in Optum United Health Group. Good evening, guys.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Sherilyn Pacolan ng Solidardos, and I'm located in Negros Occidental. Currently, I'm working as a marketing manager for a California-based real estate company.
My name is John Kenneth Serrano Lood. You can call me Ken. Technically, I'm still working at Tascas Incorporated here in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. I'm currently working as a quality analyst. And
Hi everyone. Hi Coach. Good evening. I'm Abby Tolentino and I'm from Caloocan. Currently working as WordPress developer and SEO specialist for a tax resolution company and construction company based in US.
Ako pala si Giancarlo Nino Abejo and I'm living in Lahog, Cebu. And then currently working in 180 Digital Marketing as an outreach specialist.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Rod Luang from Cebu City. I'm currently working as a data analyst in one of the BPO here in Cebu.
Hi, my name is Julian. I am from Davao City. I'm currently working as a JHL specialist in a US-based company.